All right, guys, this is Code Online, and you're welcome to HTML Crash Course for Absolute Beginner. If you're learning HTML, maybe you are just a beginner in your web development. So this is the first phase of learning. So let me clear at first that HTML is not a programming language; it's a hypertext markup language. So So uh, this is HTML is used as a basic layout for a website. It's very important. So you're in the right place. So let's start talking about HTML. 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 If you use only HTML, let me first tell you there are many tags. It'll make an ugly site. That's true. Without using CSS. If you use CSS, then what you need, it will be beautiful. So HTML is basic, even in Bootstrap or whatever, like new things like Tailwind, many things are coming. So all of them use HTML for markup language. You know. So so what is our goal today? So what are we going to learn in this crash course? And I am trying to make this crash course as short as possible and much greater content, so that you can learn in less time. You can utilize your less time to learn more thing. You know. So our goal is we are going to learn about tags. Like there are tags like h1, h6, h1 to h6, like h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6. P for paragraph, A for anchor tag, for link, for image, img, br for break, and there are many more. And also there are attributes like href, height, weight, font size. You know, and we'll also use tag and attribute together to make let's say beautiful in terms of HTML. Okay, and also we'll make table forms and many more things. Okay, so that's our goal. And by the end of the video, we'll have knowledge of HTML, maybe basic. You can search many open source to learn. Like W3 schools, they also give you online editor. So let's see in Google Docs, what are we going to learn today, right? Um, so today we are going to learn about tags like title, like this. You can see HTML Google Docs. That is our title. H1 to H6, making text bigger, smaller. Also, we'll learn bold, italics, marquees, list like honor list and order list. Also, we'll make a table, and we'll have a button, and also form and input, video, image, break. We're going to see many more. Make a drop down, kind of like that. Attributes like title, like source, like an image or YouTube videos, height, width, font size, type, checked, etc. So let's begin. So what are the requirements of to do HTML? You don't need anything actually, just a laptop or computer you need, and you can do it in Notepad, but its user experience is much worse. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. You can download this in depending upon your operating system, like for Windows, Linux. So download it from here, and that's it. And I'll show you what a few extensions so that it'll be easy to go when we make it. Okay. Let me show you. Here is my Visual Studio Code. I have opened it. Um, so So in desktop, I made a folder called HTML. This is empty. There is nothing. So, and I have opened it from Visual Studio Code. You can go to File and Open Folder, and you can open like this. All right. Okay. So after making a folder, we the first step would be here to create a file called whatever name you give. I'll give index.html like convention. Okay, this is our index.html and extension is .html. So this is it. Our HTML file is ready. So now we can write tags. There are many tags. Okay, so let's start with h1. Um, we have to do like this. Okay, h1, and this gives me closing tag. This is let me do this. This is opening h1 tag and this is closing h1 tag. You can see it, and there's not much difference. And we can have like h2 tag, and all closing and opening are similar. Okay, so to use this like h3, and when I press tab, it gives me a complete tag. So to do that, you have to install your extension, like only one actually. Prettier. Why it is not showing? Yeah, Prettier. I have already installed. Prettier. You can install it from here. I'm searching here in extension. Now we'll just write the HTML lines. All right, let's do this, and let's write here. This is code online, and let's see this in our browser. Uh, we have to go to Google Chrome, and we have to open that file. Okay, so let me go from here. So we can say open in Google Chrome. Yeah, we can see that. Now we have learned about h1. Now let's do h2 to h6. Okay, this is h2, this is h3. You can do Control D to select, and you can do h4, and you can do h5. Similarly, h6. You can do heading 2. Let me paste it first. That's it. That's your first it. You can see H1 give you the bigger text size, font size. This is H1, and it goes on order of decreasing, and we have only H1 to H6 tag. We cannot use H7 or anything like that. And we have also let's do first basic. Okay, basic tags. So we have P, which is for paragraph. So let's do this is paragraph. Yeah, and let's have a long paragraph. You can do lorem and tab, so you can get lorem if some random text generated on your screen. So yeah, so we wanna say like after dot break. Okay, so we have to do like this. This is break tag again. This will break line. Let's see here. Yeah, after dot the line is broken. Okay, this is break tag. Now we wanna make, let's say, form. Do form and into tab. We don't need action for now, and this anything inside the tag like form or any tag. This is called attributes, and we'll see about attributes later. Okay, so let's do form. It will do nothing because it needs input tag again. This is input tag. and we have input type. Type is also again attribute. This is key, this is value. So input type text, we want to say placeholder, again this is attribute. We want to say enter your name. This is, HTML only alone will give you ugly UI. So maybe I will make some crash course also on CSS, or also on Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS if I get time. So also we can do like, and now we can type here our text. Okay, now also we want to copy it and paste it. Like now we want to have type as number, and the placeholder as enter your number. Now refresh it. Now you get it here. Okay, so now you cannot type text here, you can only type the number like this. Okay, so that's great. So from S1, S6, P and break tag we have seen. Now we want to have two tag. Okay, two tag. Let's say P paragraph, and two or three multiple tags. Okay, tag inside tag, and we want to say hello from code online. And now I want to see here first. Now I want to make this bold. So what will I do is add a bold tag inside p tag where we want that. Okay, like this. Now refresh it. Now you can see this is, you know capitalized. And also we can have italics. Let's do it inside bold. We can have anywhere. Okay, and let's got it here and paste it here. Let's save it. Let's first, yeah, bold and italics. Now that's now we want to see about emails. Okay, so we want to, let's download an image from Google. Image of bit. Yeah, let's download this image from bit. And I don't want to download of copyright. There is. Let's go to Splash, on Splash actually. So in here we can download an image, and also how you can use image in your yeah, let's do this water one. Okay, let's save image as water, and we want to save this in our HTML, in desktop in HTML. I will make here one folder. Let's first download. Yeah, it's downloaded. Now see here, there is water.jpeg. So we want to use that water.jpeg in and show it here, right here. So what we can do is you can use img tag. So img tab, and what is source? Source is the path, path of where this is. So this is just inside this folder, and its name is water.jpeg. So let's save that and let's refresh it. Yeah, you can see that. All right, that's good. Now we want to set the height, another attribute, height. Let's say 100. Yeah, see the size is reduced. It's too much reduced. Let's say 400. Yeah, and we want to have width. If we do width, then maybe image will shrink, I think. Expand, or yeah, stretched. So we want to set this to auto, so it will be good. Okay, not stretched. So that's about image. And you can also, like, if you do this path wrong, you can always add alt, alternative text, as let's say water, and save it and refresh. Oh, yeah, see here, water. And this is because of that height and width. Let's remove this. Yeah, water. Okay, whatever you add there, water splashing. Yeah, see, water splashing. So this is about image. Okay, now what are the other tags or attributes? So yeah, one of important tags is a attribute. I mean anchor tag. Okay, a. Let's do that. Let's have another file. Let's keep that image here. Let's add another file called contact.html. Okay, so um, in index, I will say this is home page, and copy this, and we'll paste that in contact, and we'll say this is contact page. Right, now let's refresh. This is home page. Now if we change the index to contact, we'll get contact page. So now we want to create like a link here so that we can go to the contact.html page. So how can we do that? We can do that by adding an anchor tag. So let's do that. In home page, that is index, at top we want to add an anchor tag. Do a and tab, and this is attribute href is attribute of a tag. So let's do here dot slash where you want to go. I want to go in this folder. That slash is in this folder. In contact that HTML is the file I want to go, and I will say contact, the name of the link. So refresh it. You can see contact. You can change it to contact. So whatever you write in here, you will see there. Okay, contact page. You can click here and go to contact page again. Now in contact.html, you can again have one link to go to the index.html like this. We'll say go home. So you can see this is basics, link color. Like I think I can remove this underline below this link. I have to and add another attribute called maybe style. No, no, no. Text decoration none. Text decoration is that HTML tag? I don't know. None. Let's do that first. No. Um, I think I have to add this style tag. This is CSS. I will talk about it in maybe another tutorial or crash course. Yeah, here it is. Take decoration. We'll say none. There are a lot. Yeah, underline is removed. See, here it is. Yeah, so that's how we can do it. Now let's see what are the tags. So A is done. And also, if we have like make another folder and have one folder called others, and inside others folder there may be let's say hello.html page. So we want to go to html, and we want to say here this is hello, and we want to go from index. Okay, go to hello. Let's make go to hello. So go to hello. So let's say here hello. Let's save it. Let's refresh it, and there must be a link. Oh, this is contact. Let's go home. Yeah, go to page. Go to hello. Yeah, go to hello. But it wasn't found. Your file wasn't found. So what is the mistake? So this is a mistake here. Dot slash is for the full. You want if the file is inside the working folder, okay, current folder, like in the label of index, like contact. But this is outside this folder, and we want to go to others folder, and inside that there is an html folder file. Okay, that's it. That's how we do it. And let's do here, let's go here. Yeah, we're good. So that is how we work with directory. And let's close this. And what are other tags? Button, we can also add button, like let's make form here. Form input type text. Also, and we want to have break so that they will break. Okay, now we want to have button. Let's first see this. Yeah, button. We want to say submit. All right, there it is. There is button. So we wanna, let's say we wanna make this a little bit longer, so we can maybe calls equal to 40. Let's do this. Maybe rows. I don't know why it isn't working. Rows 40. I'll do the latter. Text, but one break. You can see that input field are too close, so we want to add more break tags. Okay, we can do css like margin or padding we can keep, but this is, we are watching pure html. Okay, this is how you can do it. All right, so that's about, button. Inside button tag there is text. Okay, so let's see other tags like form input became. Now we want to see list, so let's remove this and make a list. With what type of list? List are two types: on order list and order list. On order list is, let's see example on order list. And I have my mistake. So on order list, this is order list. Order list is something you have like numbers. Okay, and let's make a list here. One, let's say two. Oh no, let's say H. Let's say A, B, C. Okay, let's refresh it here. Yeah, we get here order list. Okay, also we can do like order list on order list similarly. Okay, okay, copy it, paste it, change the OL to UL, and refresh it. Okay, we get our order list, we get our on order list. Like bullets, also we can change the bullets. Let's see how we can do that. Change bullets html list. Starting list. Let's see in WJ school, like there are lots of order list like this and this. How we can do that? So we have a attribute called list style type. Is that css or what? I don't know. Let's do html, that html list. Here it is. We want to, so we need style, but that's CSS HTML attribute. Okay, let's do that. Stylish style type circle. I think we're in wrong. Okay, but that's an order list. We don't want to use in order list. We want to use that in on order list. Let's do that. Save it, refresh it. Yeah. Now we can also have like square, square. Yeah. So how we can do that list? Okay. So now, what are other tags? Oh, marquees, my one of favorite. Okay. So let's make a marquee. Add a marquee. Behavior. Let's say scroll, and this will scroll to the direction. Let's say left. This is default direction left. And this, let's say, this is a marquee made in, let's say, code online. Whew, let's refresh it here. Yeah, you can see this marquee. Okay, you can also stop on hover. There are many things you can see. You can search out. Uh, let's say direction to right. You can also say direction to right. Let's do that. Let's refresh it and see. You can also set it to up. Yeah, and I think we can give height so we can see a little bit. Height is equals to 45. Yeah, you can also do 100. Yeah, that's good. That's about marquee. Let's see what are other tags. Bold, italics, break, image. You can also have image, video. Okay, so let's do here. Let's say video. Let's go here. Yeah, like there is a video tag. This is source where this is, okay, and what is type of video, width, like that, like this. That's funny video. mm, Now we can have like drag and drop. Now I think we have to do something like option and select. Okay, let's do option and select. Let's go to the first. Okay, uh, let's do select. Inside this we have multiple option we can select to. Okay, value, we don't need value right now. And this is, let's say option one. Let's say option one, and copy paste. Oh my god. Alright, let's say two, let's say three, let's say four, let's say five, let's say six. Let's save it. Let's refresh it here. Yeah, it is not select, let's search again. Select tag in select tag in HTML. Let's do that. Select tag. You can, I think, let's see here. Yeah, it should be like this. ID cars. Um, Volvo. Oh, because we maybe, let's copy this and let's paste it here. Okay. All right, same. Maybe I left value. That's why. Yeah. Let's remove this. So we need value. Okay, here. I think. But no, I think this something was wrong in our option value select. Let's make it like it was ours. Okay, so what it'll say. Oh, it is working now. Let's do Control Z. let's get back. Okay, so let's refresh. What is this? Let's control shift set value option. I don't know. Something is wrong. Let it be. It is working. Okay. Now they're also strong, but it is same as bold. You can use bold. There are many text area. Oh, text area. Let's do text area. So you don't need any form tag to use input type or text. Let's do text area. This is our text area. Let's remove it. So one of the difference between text and text area is you can put enter and your form will not be submitted if it is with backend. So you can have multiple lines inside text area. So what are other tags? Table. Let's see table. So inside table, let's remove all of this mess. It's become mess. Okay. Let's say more. Let's do more. Yeah. Also in text area you can have placeholder. Okay. So what do you want to show inside that? Like placeholder, enter status. Let's say that. Refresh it. Yeah, you can see that. It will just show, and when you type, it gets removed. So let's do table tag. Okay. Let's make table, but table alone will not do anything because you'll need some table head. Is that table head? Yeah. Where is that? Yeah, table row and then table head. You can see here that first table and then table row with table head and table row with other. Okay, let's make table row and have table head like name name addr address. Let's do that. Let's refresh. Let's see how we can have that table like that. A little bit of line. Yeah, we can have border. Though this is CSS, I will do here right now. Let's remove it. This is not beautiful. So it made name and address. Let's make one more with phone. This is table head. At the top of you can add SN like serial number. Now let's have table body. Now table body is what we have below. Okay, we have multiple table row, then multiple table data. For this is table first row. This is first row actually, but this is the header one. But this is the first row. We want to say name to code online, and we want to say let's copy this address USA, and let's say font to 98989898. Save this, refresh it. You can see that there. Okay. Also, you can copy it again and add a row, add another row. Let's save it, let's refresh it. Now you can change like data like let's do this. Let's say code offline. Let's say code academy maybe. This might be in Canada. Also, this might be in China, let's say. Yeah, you can do that like that. You can make table, okay? So table is done now. Now we want to have radio buttons. So let's remove table. Let's have radio button. Let's do radio input type radio input type radio. So you'll have a radio button here, which you can click to, and you can see here, click me. Okay, click me like that. And you can also have like rectangular box, which is called tick box. Tick box. I have to do input type tick box, and you want to say tick me. All right, like this. Again, now let's see what are other remaining things here. We can also embed YouTube video. Let's go to YouTube. Let's open this in incognito mode. YouTube.com. And let's, what we want to do? Let's search um, aerial view. Aerial view of New York City. And let's sorry for this, guys. Okay, we want to do share. We want to do embed, and we want to copy it. You can also do start where the video starts from. Okay, so we have copied it. Let's cut it. Now let's paste it in this page, and let's see. Yeah, we can see that. You see? Yeah. So we can do that too. Now let's remove it. Now what are the remaining stack? Let's go to attributes. Let's type. We have seen type. So maybe this is much for going on for the first beginners. There are lots. I will, let's see W3 if there is something important. I will definitely discuss about it. Uh, okay. Let's go to HTML. Oh, we can do something colors. Okay, let's do that first. Let's do H1. Hello, hello world, and we'll say like color to white. I don't know if it'll work or not in HTML5. Let's do this. Now color isn't working. Let's do BG as color. Isn't working. Okay. So what we have to do is H1 color. No, why it doesn't work? Maybe it has been removed. In CSS, you can do very easily. You can add a style and have color. Um, W3 school HTML color attribute. Okay, HTML colors. How we can do that? Style. Also, we have to do style. All right, let's do this. There is no attribute now. Uh, let's do style and say color to blue. Okay, let's do this. Let's refresh. Yeah, you can see that. You can do green And you can also do like, let's have some paragraph first and have lorem ipsum random text, and let's go here and we'll put that in our div. Yeah, div is another. You can have div tag anywhere you like, okay, inside whatever you like. So let's have div anywhere, okay. Inside div you can have multiple divs. I will say again style. We'll say in CSS we'll see how we can do this style. You know, CSS. This is much more of CSS. We'll say gray. All right. Let's do this. So this portion I have gray color. This is beautiful. Let's do as. Let's not do that. Let's do Alice blue. Yeah, you can see a little bit of blue color, so that's how we can do using that's just a little bit of CSS. You can also set borders like inside style tag. So this is CSS. I'm not going over it, but let's do this only. Okay. Let's remove the color of the text right now. You can of course have multiple. Yeah, you can see that now. Let's also add color. Okay, let's say color, it was green maybe. All right, let's first can add semicolon and another attribute, another property maybe, and also have like many more. Now let's do font size. You can do font size to, let's do larger. Let's refresh it. No, font size. Let's say 50 px. Yeah, you can do that also. And you're gonna have font weight and many things. You know, let's keep. Let's see what font weight, yeah, font family, font style, font variant, font string, and many, you know, this will give you a lot, you know, intelligence. This is intelligence of Visual Studio Code. That we have seen images, table list, logs. ID in class we'll see in other, you know, CSS. Okay, let's see emojis. You can copy it, of course. Let's can paste it, but we don't want to do that. Okay, so what's wrong here? What's okay, here is mistake. Let's paste it here. Yeah, you have emoji here, but we don't want to do that. We want to have UTF. Okay, so you can have a meta tag here, top of your, you know, file. Like let's make a head. And you know, you don't even need that HTML tag. So we'll talk about a letter, and you can use like this paragraph, and let's paste it here. There is no emoji. You can see only this UTF character. This is called. Let's see. You'll display emoji. No, ABC. That was for ABC. Now let's do it for emojis. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. I think I will need ampersand. Yeah, ampersand and hash. So let's copy this and semicolon also. Okay. And let's, yeah, I will display emoji, this emoji. I don't know which is this emoji. Okay, smile emoji. Haha. So that's it. So you can use emoji like that. Let's paste all of it. And of course, an emoji. Let's paste it here, save it, refresh it. Yeah, that's good. So guys, this is how we can use emojis. There are many things you can see here. This is just, you know, just you giving the hint, gist of, you know, just giving you gist of everything. Now I think you have to learn yourself, but you don't have to go much deeper in HTML, because you know this cannot make this can make beautiful site, but not much too much. So we will have to use UJ. I think I want to say like CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, which we'll talk about in another video. So I think it's time to go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe and code online to grow. So maybe we'll come with another video of CSS and Bootstrap and make a beautiful site. So till then, uh, do HTML. And also, yeah, I want to say something like we want to have HTML. So you can do HTML by just doing this exclamation mark and tab. You will be given, you know, this, and this is head. Oh, I didn't talk about document title. Okay, we'll say title to code online. So that's my mistake. It should be covered in first, but okay, now you can see here. All right. So inside body you can have now you can make anything like h1. Yeah, that's how it works. Okay, so exclamation mark and tab. All right, guys, that's how we do it. So if anything is missing, please forgive me and please ask in comment. I will be ready for you to reply. So do your do you also have to do this, okay, in your laptop or computer. So hope you enjoy the video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.